In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a PR tracker or media kit in just 5 minutes using Notion. This process will help you organize your press materials efficiently and ensure you're always ready to share your story with the media. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your connected workspace on Notion. If you're not familiar, Notion is a fantastic tool for managing wikis, docs, and projects all in one place. It's incredibly versatile and perfect for building a customizable PR tracker or media kit. Once you're on the Notion homepage, you'll want to log in. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free. Logging in will take you to your personal or team workspace, where you can begin creating content. After logging in, navigate to the Notion home. This is typically your dashboard, where you'll see all your existing pages and projects. From here, you'll be able to create and organize new content effortlessly. You'll want to start by clicking on Create a New Page. This option is usually located in the sidebar or at the top of your Notion dashboard, making it easy to start something new from scratch. By creating a new page, you can structure your PR tracker or media kit exactly how you need it. Now, to truly harness the power of Notion for your media kit, the next step is to create a database within your new page. Databases in Notion are flexible and allow you to track various elements such as media contacts, outreach dates, or press hits. To create a database, simply select the database option when setting up your page structure. With your database set up, you'll need to add properties to it. Properties in Notion function like data columns in a spreadsheet, enabling you to categorize and sort your information effectively. Look for a button labeled Add Property, which will allow you to customize what you want to track in your media kit. For step 7, we're going to focus on adding a property type. When you click Add Property, you'll see different types like text, number, date, tags, and more. For your PR tracker, you might have properties like publication name, contact email, pitch status, or last date contacted. Choose the property types that fit your tracking needs best. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've built a PR tracker or media kit using Notion. This will help keep your media efforts organized and efficient, ensuring you're always prepared when it's time to reach out to the press. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!